ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
So, okay, yesterday we discussed about relative velocity. So, velocity of one body with respect to another body, like that. So, in the same way, what is about change in velocity? Now we can discuss about change in velocity. What is meant by the change? So, according to the relative velocity of one body with respect to another. For example, VAB, velocity of A with respect to B means what we can write? VA bar minus VB bar. See here, velocity of A with respect to B means what we wrote? VA bar minus VB bar. Or velocity of B with respect to A means what we wrote? VB bar minus VA bar. Like that. Velocity of A with respect to means VA bar minus VB bar. Velocity of B with respect to A is VB bar minus VA bar, like that. So, this is, but here the change in velocity means, how can you define change in velocity? So, change in velocity generally it is denoted with delta V bar. Delta V bar, change in velocity, delta V bar. Okay. Change means always we must write final velocity vector minus initial velocity vector. Always this is the formula. Change means, change in the sense, always we must use final minus initial. Final velocity vector minus initial velocity vector. Always we must use that. Not just like relative velocity. Relative velocity means velocity of A with respect to VA bar minus VB bar, or velocity of B with respect to A means VB bar minus V. Not like that. Change means always this is fixed. Final minus initial. Final velocity vector minus initial. There is no change about this. So, no change about this here. So, now come to the topic here. How can you calculate the magnitude of the change in velocity? So, magnitude of change in velocity delta V bar is equals to magnitude of Vf bar minus Vi bar. So, that is equals to under root Vf square plus Vi square minus 2 Vf Vi cos theta, just like relative velocity, just like that only. In everything, in case of vectors, to calculate the magnitude we must follow this. If it is addition, here we got plus. If it is subtraction, we got minus here. That is the thing. In each and every situation in vectors concept, magnitude in the sense, we must use this formula. Either those are the those vectors are the force, maybe forces, maybe momenta, or maybe moment of torque, or maybe angular, whatever it is. To calculate the magnitude of the vectors, we must use this relation. Here we are using velocities, or instead of this we can use forces, or we can use momentums. In any situation, if it is a vector quantity, those are vector quantities. To calculate the magnitudes, we can use this parallelogram law vector addition only. So, now it's the same thing here also. Change means if theta equals to 0, same conditions. If theta equals to 0, so that means the initial and final conditions of the body must be in the same direction. So, for example, initially the body moving towards east. After certain time also, the body moving towards east only. The direction does not changes. So, what is the angle between initial and final direction? 0. Then what is the change in velocity? So, that in that situation, here delta V bar can be written as, so Vf square plus Vi square minus 2 Vf Vi cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So, simply it can be written as Vf minus Vi whole square. So, that is equals to Vf minus Vi, that's all. If theta equals to 0. If theta is equals to 180 degrees, that means initially the body moving towards east, after certain time the body moving towards west. Initially, if the body moving towards east, after certain time, let us say the body moving towards west. That means both are in opposite direction. Initial condition and final condition must be in opposite direction. So that is change. In that situation, what happens? Delta V bar can be written as under root Vf square plus Vi square minus 2 Vf Vi cos 180. Cos 180 is minus 1. So therefore it is Vf plus Vi whole square. So that is equals to Vf plus Vi. If it is 180 degrees, both are in opposite direction. And if theta equals to 90, that means initial and final conditions are perpendicular. Initially, let us say the person is moving towards east. Initially, the person is moving towards east. If he takes the left turn, moving towards east, take the left turn. What is the direction? North. So the direction of the person changes. That means finally the person is towards north. Initially the person is towards east. Then in this situation what angle between these two is 90. What is the change in velocity here? Delta V bar can be written as under root Vf square plus Vi square minus 2 Vf Vi cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. So that's why it is Vf square plus Vi square. That is Vf square plus Vi square. That is the situation. So this is the change in velocity. Change in the sense always we must use final minus initial conditions. Don't use initial minus final. It's always must be final minus initial. So very important. Change means in any situation what is the change in momentum? Final momentum minus initial momentum, like that. Now here let us come to the point. For example, if the ball is freely falling from certain height, after striking the ground, then it reaches to the height h1. After striking with the ground, then the ball rises to a height h1. What is the change in velocity here? Initially, the ball is moving towards negative y-axis. Finally, the ball is moving towards positive y-axis. The condition is, see here, what is the condition here? Initially the ball falls freely. The ball falls freely from certain height. After striking the floor, after striking with the ground, then the ball rises to a height h1. The ball rises to a height h1. What is the change in velocity? What is the initial direction? Towards negative y-axis. What is the final direction? Towards positive y-axis. Change in velocity. Here what is the angle? Theta is equals to 180. Initially towards the ground, finally away from the ground. Both are in opposite direction. So angle is 180. So change in velocity is equals to Vf plus Vi. Change in velocity is equals to Vf plus Vi. What is final? If height is given, velocity formula square root of 2gh. Here it is V initial is equals to square root of 2gh1. So square root of 2gh1 plus square root of 2gh. Vf plus Vi. What is Vf? If the velocity is given, so height is mentioned, what is the velocity? So maximoid formula in motion is straight line. Maximoid formula h equals to u square by 2g. U square equals to 2gh. U is equals to under root 2gh, like that. So that is, this is the change in velocity. Square root of 2gh1 plus square root of 2gh. So this is one model. Next, let's do one example here. If a person moving towards east with a velocity of 5 meters per second. A person moving towards east with velocity of 5 meters per second. If he takes left turn if it takes left turn and maintains the same speed, takes the left turn and maintains the same speed, and he maintains the same speed. I am not mentioning velocity, I am mentioning the speed only, because initially the person is towards east and he takes the left turn means towards north. The direction of the person changes. If the direction changes, velocity also changes, but speed remains constant. Speed is a scalar. It doesn't depend on the direction, but velocity is a vector. It depends on direction. Initially it is towards east, next it is towards north. So this is 5 meters per second and it is also 5 meters per second. So this is east and this is north. What we have to calculate? Find magnitude and direction of change in velocity. Magnitude and direction of change in velocity. So change in velocity, delta V bar, what we can write it as? Vf bar minus Vi bar. Change in velocity, delta V bar is equals to Vf bar minus Vi bar. So magnitude of delta V bar can be written as under root Vf square, you people know this here. The angle is 90 here. Here the angle is 90 degrees. Here the angle is 90 degrees. If the angle is 90 degrees, what is the magnitude of change in velocity? So under root Vf square plus Vi square. So that is equals to square root of 5 square plus 5 square. That is 5 root 2. Square root of 5 square plus 5 square, that is equals to 5 root 2. If the change in velocity is 5 root 2. Change in velocity is 5 root 2. But what is the direction? Velocity means it must have both magnitude and direction. We got the magnitude. What is the direction? So to calculate the direction, by using this relation, we must rewrite the directions. By using this relation, we can rewrite the directions. Final minus initial. What is the direction of final? Towards north. Final velocity. Finally, what is the direction of the person? Towards north. Minus initial. But what is the initial direction of the person? Towards east. But minus of initial. Minus of, see here, Vf bar minus Vi bar. Minus of initial means, what is the initial direction? East. Minus of east, west. Minus of initial is, what is the direction? It is west. So this is north and this is west and this is the resultant. This is phi and this is phi. This is theta. Tan theta. Opposite side by adjacent side, that is 1. Tan theta is equals to 1. So theta is equals to 45. If theta is exactly 45, the direction is northwest. The direction is northwest. So by using this relation, what is the relation here? Vf bar minus Vi bar. By using the relation Vf bar minus Vi bar, we must rewrite the initial directions. We must redraw the initial directions. After redrawing that, we can calculate the tan theta. Then we can get that direction, northwest. So this is compulsory. Of course, by using the initial conditions, what is the direction? If it is theta, tan theta is equals to 5 by 5, that is equals to 1. Theta equals to 45. This is east, this is north. The direction is northeast. But this is absolutely wrong. In your questions, this will be the first option. This is the first option. But it is wrong. You people, by using this relation, if it is east, okay, 5 meters per second, north 5 meters per second, change in velocity, that is 5 root 2. You can get definitely the value of 5 root 2, no doubt about that. But the direction is important. So direction, of course directly you can find out the angle tan theta, directly you can get 45, and directly this is north, this is north and this is east, the angle is northeast because we got the angle 45. Here you got the angle 45, the direction you can get, the direction is northeast, but this is absolutely wrong. By using this relation Vf bar minus Vi bar, we can redraw the directions, initial directions, then only you can get the answer, then only we can get the answer, that is northwest. So very, very important thing. So next, let's do some problems here based on this vectors. 86. Page number 95, see the example 20 problem. Example 20. What is the displacement of a point of a wheel initially in contact with the ground when the wheel rolls forward half a revolution? Wheel rolls forward half a revolution. Take the radius of the wheel is r and the x-axis as the forward direction. See here, initially this is the wheel, this point is in contact. After certain time, the given condition is this point reaches to the top. Let us say this is the point A, initially contact with the ground, this point reaches to the top B. So that means what is the distance travelled here? It is whatever is the distance of this one, this is the same distance. Got that point? Initially the point A is in contact with the ground. Initially the point A is in contact with the ground. After certain time, the the same point A reaches to the top. That means the wheel completes half revolution. How much it completes? The wheel completes half revolution. Half revolution in the sense, see here, this is the half revolution, this is the half revolution, right? If it is the half revolution, what is this distance? Nothing but that half revolution. This value is half revolution means pi r. If it completes total revolution, the distance is 2 pi r, but it completes only half revolution. Half revolution in the sense, the distance is pi r. What is the vertical distance? It is diameter 2r. So let us say this is the displacement. The shortest path between the initial point and final point is the displacement. This is the initial point, this is the final, this is the shortest path. So here the angle is 90. According to Pythagoras theorem, this is the displacement. This can be written as under root pi r whole square plus 2r whole square. So that is equals to pi square r square plus 4r square. So r into under root pi square plus 4. So here the wheel completes half revolution. Half revolution means it is pi r, and the vertical total it is diameter, that is 2r. So displacement is nothing but under root pi r whole square plus 2r whole square. So that is r into under root pi square plus 4. So that is the situation. And theta, what is the angle here? Angle tan theta can be written as opposite side by adjacent side, 2r by pi r. So that is 2 by pi. So theta is equals to tan inverse 2 by pi with positive x-axis in anti-clockwise. With positive x-axis in anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. Anti-clockwise, or it is also called as counterclockwise direction. Next, relative velocity. Based on relative velocity, multiplication of the triangular polygon law. Where is relative velocity problems? For homework. Mean that relative velocity problems will be in your motion a plane chapter, I think 121 to 160. 121 to 160. Yes, concept of relative velocity. Page number 156 you have. See the question. Page number 156, question number 4. Page number 156, question number 4. A particle is moving eastwards with velocity 15 meters per second. Suddenly it moves towards north and moves with the same speed in a time 10 seconds. The average acceleration during this time. The particle moving towards eastwards with velocity 15 meters per second and suddenly it moves towards north, maintain the same speed in 10 seconds. What is the average acceleration? So generally we know acceleration is a vector. Acceleration can be written as change in velocity by time. Generally acceleration can be written as change in velocity by time. So generally magnitude acceleration can be written as v minus u by t generally. But acceleration is a vector and velocity is also a vector. So that's why a bar is equals to v bar minus u bar. Magnitude of acceleration can be written as under root v square plus u square minus 2 vu cos theta divided by time, or acceleration also can be written as change in velocity by time. Here we can write it as vf bar minus vi bar, that is also we can write. So for our convenience, v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity. What is theta here? 90. So simply we can write it as v square plus u square by t. 15 whole square plus 15 whole square divided by 10. So 15 root 2 by 10. So 3 root 2 by 2. So that is 3 by root 2. 3 by root 2. What is the direction? So according to this we must rewrite this diagram. According to this we can rewrite v bar minus u. Finally the person is towards north and initially towards east, but minus, this is minus. So this is the direction. So north, west, theta. This is 15 and this is 15. So tan theta is equals to 15 by 15, that is equals to 1. Theta equals to 45. So simply it is north, west. But see the question, see the options. First option is northeast. According to this we got the relation northeast, that is the first option. So don't confuse that. So by using this formula we must rewrite this as just like the previous problem we discussed only. Next, see the fifth question. Fifth question here. A person crossing a road with certain velocity due north. Person crossing the road with certain velocity due north, towards north. Sees a car moving towards east. He observes that, sees the car moving towards east. The relative velocity of the car with respect to person. Velocity of the car with respect to person is equals to root 2 times that of the velocity of the person. relative velocity of the person, relative velocity of the car with respect to person is root 2 times the velocity of the person, that is the given condition. Velocity of the car with respect to person is, what we can write? Velocity of the car with respect to person is velocity of the car minus velocity of the person. Velocity of the car minus velocity of the car. What is the direction of velocity of the car? Towards east. But what is the direction of velocity of the person? Towards north, but minus. So this is the relative velocity, velocity of the car with respect to person. Velocity of the car with respect to person. So that is, this is the velocity of the car and this is the velocity of the person. This is given as root 2 times it of velocity of the person. If it is considered as theta, sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, Vp bar divided by velocity of the car with respect to person. So Vp bar divided by velocity of the car with respect to person is root 2 times it of Vp. So sin theta is equals to 1 by root 2, therefore theta is equals to 45. So that is the angle. So that is, this is the given condition. Velocity of the car with respect to person is root 2 times it of the velocity of the person. But actually what is the velocity of the car with respect to person? Velocity of the car minus velocity of the person. So what is the velocity of the car? Towards east. But velocity of the person is towards north, minus, like this. After the given conditions, theta equals to 45. Next. A person is walking in the rain, so rain umbrella problem. So next we can do that. Swimmer, boat, motion of a boat to relative velocity. Next class we can do that. So this is about relative velocity. So very important things, relative velocity. See the page number 159, question number 5. 159, question number 5. Page number 159, question number 5. When two bodies are approach each other with different speeds, the distance between them decreases by 120 meters for every minute. The speeds of two bodies are, only one relation is given. So here the question is wrong, I think. Only one condition is given. Two bodies are approaching each other with different speeds. Approaching each other means opposite direction. The relative velocity is v1 plus v2 and the distance decreases by 120 meters per every minute and second, that is 2. v1 plus v2 is equals to 2. How can you calculate directly this one? Both are traveling in the same direction, the distance increases by one more condition they have to mention. So they are not mentioning. So this problem is now incomplete. So that is. So it's a homework, I think. Motion a plane. So only rain and umbrella problems, motor boat. So that's okay.